What's going on, everybody? I just picked up a DoorDash shift. It's not super long. It's from 5:30 to 8, so not too bad. I did have Postmates, UberEats, and Grubhub all on, and for about 15 minutes I was not getting any orders, but I also wasn't scheduled for anything today. And I checked DoorDash at like 5:25. Nothing. At 5:30 I go on and I saw this shift available. I was like, yep, jumping on it, right? And then I got an order for Bon Cunha Thai restaurant, and I accept, and then right away I get a second one, accept. So I got a stacked order. First order's like $9, second one's like $7. So that's pretty good for me, for DoorDash at least. Usually they're closer to like between 5 and 7, not 7 and 9, so that's awesome. And like I said, I've got this shift until 8 p.m. I'll try to extend it, but we'll see what happens. Either way, I'll be showing you some more DoorDash footage, so be sure to stay tuned. Just picked up both orders, but boy, I'm nervous. There's a lot of traffic. It looks like a big truck broke down or something. I don't know. Luckily, I'm going the other way, but I hope I don't get sent that way for the second drop-off. We'll see what happens. That second order, I did get stuck in traffic. It should have taken me like 12 minutes to do, but with the traffic it took about 30, so that sucks. But it brought me to a part of town where there's not a lot of traffic, so I'm going to do my best to stay over here. I did just get an order like 2 minutes after that drop-off for Subway. So I'm at Subway now. Hopefully things stay busy, and I really hope that traffic clears up pretty quickly, because it could have a big issue on my earnings tonight. After that last order, I did get a Chipotle order, so I have everything marked off that I completed it. Gonna swipe that I picked it up, hit confirm. All right, let's see. It is 4 miles away, which isn't too bad, but I think I'm going back to that traffic area. However, it's been about an hour since I've been over there, so hopefully things are better. I don't know. Fingers crossed things are good, and I'll be able to have a smooth night delivering for the rest of the night. I just arrived to McDonald's for an Uber Eats order, and it dawned on me, I don't really know what my viewers want to see. So I'm doing a little test here. If you want to see more DoorDashing videos, smash that thumbs up button. If you want to see more Uber Eats, Grubhub, or Postmates videos, comment down below. Let me know which app you want to see me delivering with. Almost immediately after dropping off Uber Eats, I got an order for Sawadee Thai. It's kind of interesting. I get a lot of Thai orders doing these delivery apps, but the restaurants themselves never really seem busy. I don't know, is Thai a popular food item when you're out delivering? I'm kind of interested to know. And do you see similar things as I do, where you're out delivering, you get a lot of Thai orders? This is my second one tonight, but there's no customers there eating the food. It's interesting to me. Let me know. I want to know what it's like in your market. Uber Eats is making me that money. I just got to Red Lobster for a pickup, so things are staying pretty busy, which is good. I haven't gotten any tips yet with Uber Eats, but that's okay because those deliveries were not very long ago. And the exciting thing is I just reached gold level in Uber Rewards. If you don't know what Uber Rewards is, they have different levels where you get like different cash back, percentage off your car repairs, things like that. If you're a gold level and you have 1,000 deliveries completed, you actually get free college for yourself or a family member, so that's super cool. That's kind of my goal with Uber Eats right now, is to get to that level. That way my wife could go to school. It's only one school, it's Arizona State University online, but that's something that's super awesome. So I'm working on that while I'm out delivering. I'm hoping the food's ready. I don't do Red Lobster a lot, so I don't know, but I'm gonna run inside and check. I just got to good old McDonald's. This is going to be my last order of the night, I think. Not that it's really getting slow, but I'm a bit tired, so I'm going to go into Uber Eats, and I'm going to mark that I'm no longer here, or accepting orders, sorry. So once I make this delivery, I'm going to wrap it up for a night. Hopefully the food is ready, and I'm going to run inside, and then I'll provide you with an earnings update. All right, so that was an easy McDonald's order. Just got home, and I'm going to do my earnings update. With Uber Eats, I did 4 deliveries tonight. So far, 2 of them have tipped, and my earnings are $26.44. And then I also did 4 deliveries with DoorDash. My earnings there is $32.75. And then I also had someone from yesterday tip me $3. That's why you see that $35.75 balance. That tip came in today after the week checked out already. So last week's pay cashed out at like midnight last night, and then I got a $3 tip sometime today. So that's kind of cool. I don't typically see those late tips, so that's nice. Altogether, I ended up making what? $32.75 plus 26. I can't really do math right now, so I'm gonna 27 plus 33. $60. Yeah, $60. So not a bad night. It was 3.5 hours of delivering. Comes out to a little less, probably like 17, 18 an hour, something like that. I don't know. Like I said, math is kind of rough right now. Dash Utility says I made $15.90 an hour. So DoorDash wasn't great, but I'm just happy that I was able to get a shift for DoorDash for a little while there. That was nice. Like I said, I'm really going to try my best to become top dasher, but I don't see a lot of shifts opening up, so we'll see. I know that once you do deliver, you're supposed to be seeing more shifts for the next couple days, so hopefully I'll be able to schedule myself with DoorDash again soon. But if not, I'll still be out here delivering with other apps. I'll see you next time. Peace.